kids, hope you're all well. More pertinent than normal, that question, with the lockdown. I'm in lockdown. I hope if you're in lockdown, you're mentally well. I also hope that your friends and family are well, everyone is healthy. I'm just going to go through a couple of vids just to keep the channel ticking over of stuff I picked up in the really good Adidas sale, which is still on now, I think, to a degree, so worth checking out. So what we're going to look at today are the Torsion Comp, really the Edberg Torsion Comp, if you know what I mean. So I'll open the box, let's have a look. I got these for £29 in the sale, which is quite frankly ridiculously cheap. Always had my eye on these, but when I seen them at that price, fantastic. Now these will come out in a couple of colorways. I mean, these ones haven't been sort of marketed as the Edberg, but they did come out as that back in the 80s. I like this colorway actually, the primary colors kind of thing. The other Edberg one, the main one, is sort of more pastel type colors, but I think this is a bit more bold. It pops a bit more. I mean, I say these did come out back in the day as Edbergs. I'll find something and pop it in here. So yeah, I mean, I thought, looking at these, really nice shoe for the summer. Beer garden, well, okay, if they ever reopen, that might be a good shout, or just to wear in the garden for now, I guess. But for £29 in the sale, I had to grab them. I mean, toe to tongue on them. Really nice sort of textured tongue there with a sewn in logo. Got a Torsion symbol on the side here. Your three stripes with that distinctive detailing. Go around to the back. I think the ones that came out as Edberg had Torsion writing on the back, which I can give or take that, to be honest with you. As I say, I prefer this colourway anyway. Something different, if you're fed up of City Series and whatnot, why not? Let's go underneath. There's quite a lot going on here. Do have the Torsion bar there, of course. And quite a lot more detailing on this shoe. Yeah, really nice little pickup, I think. Nice little summer shoe. I did get another pair of trainers on the sale, another bargain. So I'll probably do that next. I will do a little Easter, little kiddie, a bit of a joke vid on Sunday, Easter Sunday. So tune in for that as well, guys. If you want a shout out in the Easter vid, comment below. Yeah, how about that? Something to fill the vid up. I'll think of something Easter related just to put in front of the camera. Just to give you guys something to watch while we're all in lockdown, basically. It's not good, is it? So, yeah. Right, kids, I'll get these on foot now, out in the garden. It's lovely weather. And, yeah, I'll catch you next time. Take care of yourselves. Take care of your friends, family and neighbours. Please stay safe. Take care. Bye.